Hi, my name is Joel Jones, and I own Jonesy's Inc. We specialize in building custom cars, hot rods, and classic restorations. Some of you might be wondering, well, what is a hot rod? Well, it depends on who you talk to, but my definition of a hot rod is any vehicle that has been modified, customized to improve its appearance, its functionality, its speed, its performance. So you can consider a new Corvette that has a custom exhaust. You could consider that a hot rod. You could consider a Honda Civic that has a ground kit on it, a hot rod, if you really wanted to. You might offend some people by doing that. The more traditional definition is anything that's from the 50s, 40s, 30s that's been modified. The traditional roadsters, those would be considered hot rods. I mean, that's more of a true definition for most people that are a little bit older than myself and who have been around the industry a little longer than I have. But it doesn't stop there. You would consider even some four-wheel drive vehicles hot rods. There's also all different types of hot rods. There's a new thing called rat rods, where none of it is very finished. There's no shiny paint. They're embracing the rustiness. They're embracing the fact that it's just old, it's cobbled together, and those are considered rat rods. You would consider an extreme four-wheel drive vehicle. That would be considered a hot rod. So there's all kinds of different definitions for it, but really, anything that's been modified, anything that's been customized is a true hot rod.